Hey, baby. Baby. Where are you? Oh. Why do you look so damn good? Where are you going? Oh. A party? Without me? Really? Whose party is it? A friend. Oh, interesting. I don't know if I like the sound of that. I'll tell you what, babe. How about you just stay home with me? I'll do whatever you want. We could have fun, relax, watch a movie, or play Jenga or something. Like have our own little party. Come on. What do you say? Also, what's this friend's name of yours? Oh, Janet. Okay. The Janet that used to have a crush on you? Oh, baby, it's okay. If I were her, I'd try everything to get you to. I mean, look at you. This mirror doesn't justify how fucking gorgeous you are. How stunning those lips look. How your skin glows. And how soft you are. God, you're beautiful. And out of everyone, you chose me. And I'm so fucking happy. God, you're gorgeous. Look at you. But I also want to be the only one you look this good for. So stay home with me. And I'll show you a good time. I know, that was really corny. God. No. I just really want you to stay home with me. God, you look so good in this black dress. You don't want to know the things I'm thinking. If only you can see yourself through my eyes. I'm just so mesmerized right now. Come here. Do you want to dance with me? This is one of our favorite songs, isn't it? You see? This is just like our own little party. But you're always the main character. And just come here. Hold my hand. I'll guide you. I know. You are missing the party. Oh. You don't care anymore. I'm glad. I wanted you to stay with me anyways. That friend of yours is going to have to give up. Because you're all mine. Everything. Come here. Can I kiss you? Yeah. Oh, is that rain? It rains so fast here. Come on. What do you mean, what? Let's go outside. Yeah. Why don't we go dance outside in the rain? Wouldn't that be so much fun? Let's go. Let's go quickly before it stops. Wow. It's raining so hard. Oh my god. Oh. Come here. Come here. Get close to me. Oh my god. I hope we don't get sick. There's no music playing, but dance with me, baby. Dance with me. Like there's no tomorrow. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Go, baby. Go, go, go. You're so fucking cute. Oh. Did you learn that from TikTok? I like it. You gotta teach me it. Come on. Oh, like this? Hey, don't make fun of me. God. Come here, come here. Let's slow dance. This rain is really bringing out the color of your eyes. Yeah, I don't know what that means either. I don't know. Leave me alone. I don't know. I don't know. I'm mesmerized. Like always. Are you even surprised? Stay with me. Forever, okay?